So we've been saving our money to buy stuff for the bus, and like we do every week. But then, like
every paycheck, like we pay bills and everything left is for the bus.
Yeah. So this time, in the midst of everything that was going on, our our clothes washer went out, and so we have to budget for that now, which unfortunately takes away from building this week. And so we're not going to let our lack of money bring us down. This is actually what we like to do, and this is what we're doing today. We're going to take you guys along on one of our little outdoor adventures here in the campulance.
A little expedition to Snake Wash.
That's right.
What's your number one bucket list location place that you could drive to in Bussy McBusface? Like, that you absolutely, like, it's your number one must-see.
I want to see the Northern Lights.
I totally wanted to see the Northern Lights, too. Like, that was a goal for me, too, until I discovered that they only show up in the winter.
Yeah. Very northern latitudes.
I'm not going to Alaska in the winter. I would die. Yellowstone?
That's another one. Okay, I have to say, to indulge the photographer in me, I would love to get some video and stills of the Bussy, surrounded by buffalo. Shimani Tutaka watching! Like, that would just be beautiful to me. In my mind's eye, I see a place in the distance, not that far of a distance, but in the distance, are very large snow-capped mountains. There's a river running through it. Not a Mississippi River, but like a fly fishing river. Like, I see myself sitting inside the bus and like tying flies for fly fishing at night, and that we'll have the wood stove, and then going out and catching some like brook trout or some like little brown trout out of this little river.
Right.
Or stream, not even a river, stream. I want to wake up in the morning and look out the window and see the ocean.
Wait a minute! You cannot see the ocean from Montana! know when you're a kid and you're old enough to pretty much have things figured out, and I knew that when I grew up, I was not going to live in some stupid, like, you know, freaking stucco house on the block in the neighborhood. Like, I knew I was going to live in this big, old, like, ancient stone castle on the beach. And I could see myself splashing through the waves on my white unicorn. And it was so real for me back then.
I discard your reality and substitute my own.
Exactly.
Gotcha. So the next project on Bussy McBusface is fins.
What was that cartoon? The Thornberry, the Wild
Oh, the Wild
Thornberries?
Thornberries, yeah.
They had some submarine shit on their bus.
That's right, they did. Man, we missed out.
Thornberry out.
We need to make the Thornberry bus out of the Bluebird.
Let me first switch it over to ocean transport mode.
And then we have to, like, take that across the ocean. Just off the coast of Venezuela down there, there's a little island called St. John. In the U.S. Virgin Islands. It's beautiful. So
I would be happy with that for the rest of my life. I could do that.